Hi and welcome to Bubbly Moon Naturals. I know many of you are new and some of you have seen me before. My name is Marshella and I'm so excited to spend time with you this evening. I am the owner and proud founder and formulator slash herbalist at Bubbly Moon Naturals. This year, with everything going on, I know that a lot of you are just learning about natural products, and I just wanted to give you some highlights about what we have offered in the past and also share with you an opportunity for you to receive a free recipe guide that you can do at home to stay hydrated during this time. So, Bubbly Moon Naturals began in 2014 after many years of me formulating natural soaps and creams and hearing great feedback. But in that journey, I learned that my own maternal grandmother, Jenny Rivera from Puerto Rico, was also an herbal soap maker. And I took that as a sign to begin my journey in starting this handcrafted small batch business. And the basis of Bubbly Moon Naturals is that all products are vegan, they're created for all, and they're formulated with really nutrient dense and hydrating botanical ingredients. So I'm coming to you, as I stated before, to share with you that when you sign up for our newsletter, you will have an opportunity to get a free herbal skincare guide that you can create at home, because many of us are washing our hands a lot, washing our bodies a lot, and I want to help you stay hydrated until we get that hemp and shea butter lotion back in stock, and all of our other goodies, because as you know, I've rebranded. There's a new logo. I shared some insight on that, and in the meantime, why not share how to formulate your own skincare at home? So all you have to do is click the link below and subscribe to our newsletter, and you will get your free DIY hydrating recipe. Thank you so much, and stay bubbly. Bye.